wheels, you know it's pure American muscle. From coast to coast, this roar defines a nation. The Kenworth W900L. Powered by a Cummins X15 engine, the W900L delivers up to 605 horsepower of unstoppable force. With an 18-speed Eaton transmission, it conquers every mile with precision and pride. Inside, its classic sleeper cab blends comfort, strength, and timeless American design. A true symbol of power, pride, and legacy, the Kenworth W900L. If you love legendary trucks like this, subscribe and join the ride.